Thank you. Bado ipo. Are you set? We know that time is not on our side.
Can you hear now? It's there. Okay, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, honorable members and party leaders, if we can have some peace outside. Our party leader, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, has had to leave for an urgent meeting, and he has asked us to make this statement. Asanteni kwa kusikiliza. I'll read thank you. Resolutions of Azimio PG meeting dated today, the 18th day, I believe, 18th day of July, 17th day of July, 2024. The joint meeting of the parliamentary group of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party was held today, Wednesday, the 17th of July 2024. The coalition expresses its sympathy and condolences to those who lost their loved ones and the hundreds who were maimed, injured, and who had their properties destroyed during the demonstrations.